Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create login page in Google Sites. So first things first, you have to go to Google Sites. This is what it looks like, and then you have to look for the blank form. So usually you can go and open a new tab and then look for blank form like this or untitled form. Now here you can add a title, let's just say access or login page, or let's just say access login, everything is up to you. Once done, you can tap on the bold right here or edit the format. And then below, as you can see, there is this untitled question. You can change this to password. And then here on the right side, as you can see, there is this option. You can change this to short answer. And then in the short answer, you can just basically enter or add the password. But first, tap the three dots and then tap on response validation. Here you can select text and then add your password. Let's just say, for example, the password for my website or page or site is correct password. And then as you can see on the right side, there is this information. What if the user or user's password is incorrect? And then you can add here a notification. So you can add, please contact us at this specific email, like the email of your site. After that, what you're going to do next is you have to look for settings. And in the settings section, you have to scroll down here, and then you have to look for confirmation message, tap on edit, and then add something like this. So once they have entered the correct password, then they will see this one right here, that they will have the access to the site. Once done, you can publish and then copy the link, paste it, or send this or share this to anyone. Once they have the site and then try to log in with the password, then basically they will be notified that they have the access to the site. So that's how easy it is to create login page in Google Sites. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.